Are you new to online marketing and looking for some help? Or maybe you're a marketer who's been online for a while and you're just having issues. You're running into roadblock after roadblock and you're really looking for some solid training and a solid community to help you. Well, stay tuned because in this video, I want to show you where you can get free training, 100% free training from an 8-figure marketer, Chris Record. He is a top-notch marketer. He does most of our trainings. And in addition to that, you're going to get access to a community where you can attend live trainings on different days throughout the week on different things like mindset, on teaching you how to utilize different tools online from somebody who's a top marketer who knows what they're doing, and you'll be able to plug into a community of entrepreneurs just like yourself so you don't have to do it alone. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and minimize my window here. So what this is an internet income system. And in order to get into the internet income system and get access to these free trainings, just click on the link below and request an invite. So basically there's an invitation system set up with the internet income system to protect it from spam, to make sure that it's really valid people that are looking to get in and not just marketers out there buying a list and spamming it, trying to get everybody and their mom into it without actually, pre-qualifying. Like, you watch this video, you're a marketer, you're interested in learning, you requested an invite, so there was a pre-qualification right there. I send you the invite, you get in, and you can get access to this training. Again, right when you get access, you set up your free account, you'll be able to watch these trainings right away. So initially, right now, we have 6 free trainings for you. There's going to be more added as we go forward. You have faceless content, bridge marketing, paid traffic, YouTube, and viral clipping. And these are full academies with hundreds of hours of training. And I'm going to click through a couple so you can see, so that you can get better as a marketer. What we are is a value-based system where we lead with value, get you in so you can watch some free trainings, and then you can actually invite other people to get into the system as well. And you can earn money with that. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're looking for a system, or you're looking how to get started with affiliate marketing, just know there is an option in here for you. And then we can connect and we can talk about that further, but this is about being a student and helping you with where you're at in your marketing journey, whether you're new, intermediate, maybe you're a little more advanced, you fell upon my video and you want to learn a little bit more. So before I get into it, if you've never been to my channel, my name's Howie Perks. I've been online marketing on and off since 2010. I've made money online, and I've had a lot of failures as well. I've run into a lot of roadblocks. So on my channel, what I want to do is be able to talk about what works for me. So I only really want to show you like what is working to help shorten your learning curve so that you don't have to go through all the obstacles and roadblocks that I've been through. And this is a system I believe that can help you 1000% get to where you want to be. Just get in, watch the training, and implement the training. And you don't have to be an affiliate of the system to earn money. You can watch like Bridge Marketing Academy, and it'll help you learn how to build an audience in order to promote whatever product you're already promoting, or whatever company you have. Or maybe you're a personal trainer, or somebody has a brick and mortar store. You'll be able to understand how you can leverage social media channels to be able to build an audience and then get them into whatever service or product that you're promoting. So in addition to these plug and play trainings that I'll show you in a moment, you're going to get access to live trainings. These were just added, where you can get access to join us live on Mondays, where Chris Record, who you'll see in most of our trainings, he's an 8-figure marketer. He does really, really well online. He's going to go live, and he's really going to dive into different things to help you with your mindset, because mindset is crucial. If you don't have the right mindset coming online, you can really get stuck, and you'll probably end up quitting, because you got to get your mind right first. You got to get rid of all those doubts and fears, so you can shut out all the naysayers, because I'm sure you have, like I've had in my life, there's people that just want to chirp and kind of tell you how that won't work, or kind of roll their eyes when you say you're doing online marketing, that kind of thing. Well, you need to shut the noise out in order to help you do that. Chris is going to go live every Wednesday, and you can jump on with us. you can, hear him live, and you'll be able to chat with the people in the community. I'll be on there a lot of times as well. I want to be able to connect with anybody who comes in through the system, who clicks on the link and joins me as a free student, or maybe you become an affiliate. I want to connect with you further if you want. So I will reach out to you so we can see how we can help each other and help each other win and help more people win in the long run. Again, whether you're a free student and you're just learning for something else, or you want to promote this system. And promoting the system, all it is inviting new people to get in and become a student, and the value is in the system, which you'll see once you get inside. You can join us Tuesday live with Toolset Tuesdays. That's with Jeff Long. He's the programmer behind the Internet Income System. He is a solid programmer, and he really understands technology. So if you want to get better with technology, whether it's email marketing, whether it's some tool online, Jeff will go deep into how to better use those tools and automate your marketing with what he knows and his knowledge set. And then on Wednesdays, you'll be able to join us live. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull people from the community and also people that know Chris Record or are already really good at what they do. They're already expert marketers. On Wednesday, we're going to have guest speakers teaching on a specific subject or strategy that they're having success with so that you can learn from other people. So I'm really excited about this. There's a lot of opportunity for you to grow as a marketer. And again, this is all free initially. All you have to do is click that link below, request an invite. I'll send you the invitation. You can set up your account. You can dive into the information, and there's no catches, there's no gotchas or anything like that. So you can get in and become a better marketer. And then Thursdays, Chris is going to go live on a Zoom where he's going to go over a different marketing strategy. And again, Chris does most of the training, so you'll realize how much value and knowledge Chris has in order to give you, and he's going to be really giving you a lot of different nuggets and knowledge on different forms of advertising outside of the plug and play academies that we have here. And we're going to add more as we go. So just know when you set up your free account, right now you have access to these 5 academies and the live Zooms, and then we're going to add more as we go. Because again, this system's all about leading with value. You're going to see the value if you dive into the training. Potentially, you might want to become an affiliate, invite free students yourself, and then you can get paid with that. It's a real simple system, especially for new marketers. You don't have to get really good at selling. It's just about finding a marketer like yourself. Like maybe you're really bad at Facebook. I never really did a whole lot on Facebook. I just went through our Facebook course and I'm implementing that on a daily basis. So maybe you're a lot like me. You find a ton of value in that Facebook course, and then you see that you know some people that could utilize that. And then you can invite them into the system. If they were ever to buy anything in the system, you invited them for free to get in as a free student. They buy something, you get paid as an affiliate if that's something you want, or if not, you can just be a free student. So let me click on some of these so you can see what you get. I also have more videos on my channel that I go a little deeper on each of these, but I just want to click on this if you're new to my video so you can just watch it from here. So let's just say faceless content. This academy will teach you how to build out a faceless social media channel. Like if you don't want to do videos like this where you're talking into the camera and you just want to basically build out an audience in a specific niche and never show your face, this training will be for you. And it's going to be hours and hours of content. As you see, we have module 1's got 1 hour and 45 minutes, module 2 1 hour 30, module 3 1 hour 25, 4 1 hour, and then module 5 is another hour. And it'll track your progress. Just come up here. I watched it through, but you can go back and you can click all these to unmark them, and I'm going to do that just so I can show you how you can track your progress when you get in as a free student. You decide to watch the Faceless Content Academy. You get in here, you're in module 1, just click mark complete, and then this will track. You see 20%, mark complete. Now it's going to say 40%, and then it'll go all the way through to 100%, and you can always go back and watch. And I highly recommend that if you're a new marketer to watch the training, put pen to paper, or type it online and whatever you want to do. Take notes, implement that, and then go back and really watch it again so you can really cement that knowledge into you so that you get better and you can implement that and continue to tweak what you're doing so you can start really earning money in whatever you're looking to do online. So with that being said, click on the link below. I'll send you an invite. Once you request it on my Google form, and then you'll get inside of the community. If you want to connect further, you and I will connect further. Obviously, I want to help as many marketers as I can be successful, because that's truly what it's about. And that's why I love entrepreneurship and affiliate marketing, network marketing, or anything like that, because it's like-minded people. So you're watching this video because you have a similar mindset as me. And if we connect, I really want to help you. I'm not just some guy making YouTube videos saying, hey, go buy my stuff. There's nothing to buy here. Get in for free. And then there is stuff to buy later, but it's all a value first. That's it. And that's all I thought. Again, if that's all you want to be a student, that's great. I want to connect with you and see how I can best help you and go from there. So thanks for watching this video. I look forward to connect with you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside of the system and helping you succeed.